You want to start by peeling and dicing 6 cups worth of gold potatoes. You want to use 6 cups of peeled and diced gold potatoes, and go ahead and make them heaping cups. Add the golds to 8 cups of boiling water. Add 3/4 of chopped baby carrots to the boiling water too. Believe me, use chopped baby carrots because regular carrots don't quite taste the same. There's something about baby carrots. So use those if you got them. Boil this for about 15 minutes. You're going to need 3/4 cups of Nutritional yeast flakes, 2 tablespoons of both garlic powder and garlic salt, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Just put them in a bowl and get them ready. While it's hot, scoop out the potatoes and put them in a blender, but only fill the blender about halfway. And you're going to throw a cup or 2 of this starch water in, so make sure you save the starch water. Don't throw it out. You're going to need it for the recipe. Put the hot mix in the blender and blend it. Once it's blended down, add the spice. Add about a half teaspoon of lemon juice, or squeeze a half lemon. And you kind of got to get the lemon to taste, so start with just a little and then add a little bit at a time. Scoop out the remaining potatoes and add them to the spice, and you'll want to add about another cup of water. So in total you're looking at like 2.5 to 3 cups of starch water in this when it's done. Kind of judge it on how thick you want it. Blend it a second time and go about another 30-40 seconds of blending until the sauce is the right consistency. This came out so good. You can add a little less water or more water to get the consistency you want if you want it a little creamier. But man, we just put this on everything. Some of our favorites are smashed potatoes. They're like mashed potatoes. We pour this all over it, and then we put chopped green onions. It's awesome. We also make nachos with this. You can take some corn tortillas that are fat-free, put just a little bit of lime juice on them, and some salt, bake them in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. Just watch them, they burn real easy. And then crack them up and you can use these things like nachos. You can make your own nachos with this that are fat-free. Other things, we put them on burgers. I've even put it on pizza, even though it doesn't work that great, but it tastes good. And especially tacos. This tastes really good with tacos. So be one of the cool kids and subscribe, because you want to be cool, right? I mean, we'll let people know if you're not. Also, check out our Telegram group. It's where you want to go if you want some questions answered or just want to see what we're doing in our latest stuff. So just search Lupo's Kitchen on Telegram, or you can follow the link below. So you'll wait for this to cool off, and then you can can it, and it'll last in the fridge about a week. This is one way we use the cheese sauce. Today, all we're doing is putting it over home fries that we air fried. And then we'll add a little French fry seasoning to it. And that's it. And they are delicious.